Hello viewers, it's Lee Hendricks and welcome to my channel called Lee Hendricks Gold. I'm back in Uwharrie and going to do some more bedrock cleaning. I had pretty good luck here last time with minimal work. Maybe I need a little more work, but today I'm taking it easy. I'm going to work this bedrock some more. And I'm not even close to being finished with it. Let me show you where I got to. You can see I dug out a lot, but from here on up, still got to clean. And there's just, this is all bedrock up through here, so there's plenty to do if I do find enough gold to make it worthwhile to keep doing this. I brought my hand dredge today, so it may give me a little bit better edge, and we'll see what happens. Well, I got lucky here. Look how deep this part of this crack goes down. It's easy to dig. A lot of good loose stuff in there. I had to break it up though, it was clay. It wants to go back together, sitting there. But just to show you how much I've got here, pour out some of that water. That's about half a bucket. But I've got enough water up here, I can sluice on this little waterfall. I just finished setting up my sluice here. Got a nice V, got a good flow. Had to set that little boulder there just to span the gap, but like what I'm seeing. Let's get the sluicing. Is that gold? I don't know, we'll know soon enough when I start panning it. It was gold. See that in there? Woo! Oh my gosh, that is unbelievable. You will not believe this, people. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that came out of the first bucket. I gotta show you this, guys. Look at this. They're pickers. Almost.
So I've already made, that's got to be at least a tenth of a gram in just a few minutes. That's the way to do it. Screw that flour dog.
Screw that flour gold.
Screw that flour dog.
Screw that flour gold.
So all those nice flakes of gold came from right here. And why is it so much better than down there? Well, I thought I was working the inside bend over here because you've got kind of a turn, but the truth is this is a continuation of that inside bend right here, and plus you got a creek flowing right through here. This is kind of a junction, so I'm guessing that's why, but we'll see if it continues, because that is crazy gold for here. Let's see if it gets any better farther down, or if it fizzles out, or maybe it stays the same. It's still going down in there pretty good, so there's a lot of material left. Look at that. That's great stuff. won't come off my shovel. Since that other bucket had so much good gold in it, I am going to clean this good. So I'm going to dump this muddy stuff out, just water. And I'm going to put more water in. I need to get my pan for that. And I'm just going to move this stuff around with my scoop. I don't see any big chunks in that first ripple. Like, well, I do see actually one little one, but that was the one that was up there. Well, can't win them all. Little piece there, nothing big. So I just got real lucky on that first bucket, I guess. Maybe I'll get lucky again some other spot. But wow, what a way to start the day, though. That's all that was in that pan. On to bucket 3. There's what I got out of number 3. They're pretty small bits. I had to really clean it good with my hands to get that out. I don't think it was worth it, the extra time, to be honest. So I think I'm just going to, shovel and run instead of trying to break all that clay down. I think that was just some weird coincidence where all that gold, or else that was just the perfect spot for it to settle out. I'm not sure which, but I haven't been able to duplicate that same run again, not even close. But I'm going to keep cleaning that crack because there's obviously gold there. That's a pretty good piece I just found. I didn't clean up the black sand quite good enough to find that. That's still bucket 3. So it was worth cleaning all that out, I guess. But still not a huge piece. I just did a small run to see if I was going to kind of stay in that same place or move on. And there's a pretty nice piece of gold. And what interested me more was a big piece of lead. So I'm finding lead now, so maybe I should keep following that down. I'm getting pretty deep. Thing is, I found most of the gold near the top in the loose stuff, but it's too murky to see how far down this goes. So I'll show you with the shovel handle. So all the way down to there, it doesn't look that deep, but if you fall in there, it seems pretty deep. Well, I just did a partial bucket, and I really wasn't expecting to find anything again, and I did. So I hadn't panned out all the black sand, so I'm going to let you see what I saw. pretty good sized picker there. Pretty thin, so it is flood gold. It's big flood gold. It's time to see what this chunky gold weighs. I'm going to put on the biggest piece I found and see how that turns out. It's like a 0.055. So that's a nice, good chunky piece of gold. There's another one. Another good piece. Getting close to the 10th mark. There, I've got 1/10 of a gram. And that was just from the chunkier bits. So there's a little bit of smaller gold I've got on this piece of notebook paper just so I can get it in there. I got a 0.125. So with 3 half buckets and just about 1 full one, so that's 2.5 buckets, I got the same weigh as 10 buckets of flour gold. Close to the same spot, but I believe I'm going to keep working the bedrock for now. Some pretty gold, isn't it? I'm going to weigh this up doing the weigh and dump method. All I have to do is get that zeroed out, and it does it automatically when you have something on it and turn it on. So I got all this gold put away now. And look at that. It gives you the negative reading on what is missing. So it gave me the same way, and if I stay back and talk, it doesn't change, because even just the air for me talking, pressing down on that actually registers. You see that? So the farther I get back, the more accurate that is. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. I do love flour gold, because 1 ounce of flour gold weighs the same as 1 ounce of chunky gold. But it is a little bit harder to clean up, I will say that. Signing off, Lee out.